Hello!
Oh no! We forgot to have a flower kid!
Oh, yes.
Flower who?
The flower kid. They scatter flower petals in front of the bride and groom as they enter.
Would Dury and Jack like to be the flower kids?
Just Dury and Jack.
Aww.
Here!
Each shell holds the bride and groom's precious wedding rings.
Oh, so beautiful.
Huh? What's going on?
Oh no!
What? Catch those rings! Grab them! A wedding needs to have wedding. I'll get it!
Wow! You all did great! What a lovely wedding!
The bride and groom may now present their rings to each other. I now pronounce you man and wife. Congratulations!
Swan, is everything okay?
Tonight is the ballet performance, and no matter how much I practice, I just can't do it.
We know someone who can help you, Swan.
I love happy dancing out in the rain. It's not raining.
Hello, Mr.
I guess I could show you. Okay, Swan, you could do this. One little spin, and now tiptoe, jump, and now pose.
Haha, of course it's important to keep the beat. But you also need to feel joy when you dance. Ooh. I love happy dancing out in the sun. Ah, it's so wonderful and freeing and fun. Whether rain or shine, dance along and you'll feel fine. Yeah.
I love happy dancing out in the sun.
You should sing louder, Swan. I love happy dancing out in the sun. That's right, sing out loud.
I'm so happy when I'm dancing ballet. Twirl through the forest, just makes my day. Have you seen this dancing queen? I'm the forest ballerina.
Wow, you're such a great dancer, Swan. Dury, are you all right? Look at my flower. Then why did the flower wither like that?
Well, I really don't know for sure. But I do know someone who could tell us why.
Whoa! Wow!
Granny Bowerbird, are you home?
Sure am. Come on in.
That flower is really beautiful. Wow! Tomatoes and cucumbers. They look yummy. Should I turn it on? We made a mess of the beautiful garden. Granny Bowerbird, you must be so so upset.
First of all, we need to make sure all our plants are standing straight upright. Slide in a nice tall stick and tie the plant to it good and tight.
I am sorry that we knocked you over.
But we'll stand you tall and straight again.
There, the thing to remember when you're repotting a plant is to move it gently and carefully, just like I did there.
Gently and carefully. Gentle and careful. Granny Bowerbird, can you please check my flower?
Let me check. Looky there. I've got it. This little flower just needs to move to a bigger house.
Hooray! My beautiful flower's all better.
Oh, I'm Granny Mandarin Duck, and I will teach you how to blow those cherry husks. Now, blow a little air, whoo, into the husk. Are you ready now? Press down lightly on the husk.
Wow! Isn't fun!
Well, I have to be on my way now. I have to find Grandpa Mandarin Duck, who knows where he is.
Hey, Mommy, why is Granny looking for Grandpa?
Granny!
Hey, it's Grandpa Mandarin Duck! Grandpa! We just met Granny a little bit ago, and she was helping us.
She can't be far, and we'd be happy to help you find her.
Have you seen Granny Mandarin Duck passing by? Well, actually, she just went that way. Thanks, Squirrel!
Granny!
Granny Mandarin Duck!
Granny Mandarin Duck! Granny Mandarin Duck! Hey, Granny!
Dear me. Granny Mandarin Duck, where have you gone?
Let's blow the cherry husks, remember? That way Granny can find us. 1, 2, 3.
Huh? What is that noise?
Granny!
Oh, my dearest Grandpa, wherever have you been?
I was looking for you, my dear.
Whoa! How pretty! What are these things?
Those? Those are milk bottles from Mrs. Cow. I need to return them to her.
Oh, wait for me, guys! I need a rest. What exactly is going on here? We're returning these to Mrs. Cow, and we're starting to get tired. It's exhausting work. Well, why don't you ask Mr. Hummingbird for help? Well, this is the delivery center.
Such a busy day. Whoa.
We have some milk bottles that need to be returned to Mrs. Cow.
I'll deliver that for you, kids. Come on. Just over this hill. Come on. Come on. Almost there. Come on. No. Huh? What have I done? What are you all doing here? I don't know what to say.
We can help you.
Huh?
Yeah, we can help you.
Yeah! We did it! Delivery for Mrs. Cow!
Hi, Mrs. Cow.
Oh my, you came such a long way. Thank you all very much. Well, thank you. We enjoyed the milk, Mrs. Cow. It's the least we could do. That's good. Can I interest you all in a cup of fresh milk?
Here, subscribe to our channel.